this training doesn't solve the issue, but it's a response to the problem of safety. So the Philippine Plan of Action actually is a step towards solving the issue, but it cannot be implemented by just one or a few organizations. It has to be implemented by everybody. Kaya push natin siya.
The perfect avenue. This is the reality. This is
authority, hindi siya livable. Ibig sabihin, para lang for the show na kami nga yung may-ari nito. Kaya nga
Plan of Action. So the question na pinost ni Therese was, ano yung ginagawa sa newsrooms with regards to safety? Ano yung
disinformation kasi yung dapat full report is yung katiting na lang or yung portions na lang tapos naiiba na yung meaning.
It is keeping safe while on assignment. That was in 2010, I think, when, no?
Siguro yung gusto natin mangyari for this